Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Toyota Corolla LE. This one is silver. Under the hood is a 1.4 four-cylinder making 132 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 16-inch wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black gray cloth interior. Coming around back, we've got a set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, Corolla LE badging. Coming up front, we've got power windows, and then we've got our steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start it up. Rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, climate control, auxiliary and USB port, automatic transmission. This Toyota has 51,337 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota, check out feldmanimports.com.